Today we want to analyze the BTC and where we want to buy or sell him. So first of all, you see in my background a lot of red light. That means we're just gonna short them and not gonna buy them, okay? So where and what can we expect from the market? Let me open for that first the H4 chart. I guess I already marked 30,000 level mark. We can expect this level for sure, right? So be expecting the 30,000. I hope you don't have a lot of long trades. Yeah, I hope you don't get stopped out, because this level, I cannot say 100%, but we can say pretty sure we're gonna hit this level. Where we can expect the market after we hit this level, and what would I do on my perspective? For that, I'm all times checking the H1, because H4 is all times my chart where I'm looking for the bigger trend, and H1 and M15, it is where I get my analysis like long and short term trend situation. And we see on both sides we are red, right? The clouds are red on both. Now the question is, where should I enter, right? Because there are two problems. People say, okay, we broke this one, we go short. Maybe you are happy and you get the 30,000 mark directly, or maybe he's going up and takes you out on the stops and then he's going down. We never know. I cannot tell you what he's gonna do because I don't have the holy grail, so I cannot tell you. But what I do is, on the daily, on the H1, I all times shorting or looking for shorts, the better word, if the market is going to that line or into my close, so somewhere here. But as well, this is just the placement where I'm trying to short the market, because what could happen every time when I say this market, this levels, like here, right? This level would be a level for me where I short the market. But it might happen as well in the end of a trend, the market is going up, right? And then he's doing something like that. So this will be just a placement where I'm looking for a short signal on another time frame. So what does it mean? For that, if we enter this place, the M15 has to be short as well. And now you see there's a short signal in here. Let me go into it. So we had more. And just for understanding, we trading then everything on the 5-minute chart, just because this is a lower time frame and I like it to get my entries there. Otherwise, on the M15, I have to wait like more days to get an entry, and I do it on my daily business, so M5, M1 is the time frame for me to enter the market. And where do I expect the market to enter and when? So first, I could teach it my grandmother and she would understand that as well. What I'm looking for is we want to see an impulse, right? The problem here, we could short it here and it would be profitable, but I would lying to you if I say I would do it, because we have the impulse here. What I want is then a move up, and then I want to go down. So if the signal would be here, I would take it for sure, but it's not on my, I'm not gonna wake up at 5 in the morning and trade it. So I wouldn't trade this one. So that's my range where I trade, and the red one as well. So what I want is, if this is not my entry and I want to enter here, then this market should go further down, then retrace, and then I'm gonna enter. It didn't happen. We went in a little sideways market, I would say. So we went like this. So I'm not gonna enter this one, but then we see market broke down. He made a new impulse. As you know, market is all times doing impulse, retracement, impulse, retracement. And between them, the retracement could be impulsive as well, could be a sideways market, doesn't matter in this case. And then we see here, we're coming back, and then we see the first entry. So I didn't took it actually, because it's my first YouTube video. I had to prepare everything. But you will see I will trade on a 100K account, 100K account, and every trade I do will be published here as well. So this would be an entry. Stop will be above this one. We going for the 1 by 1, and then we take 50% out. Stop would be uneven, and now you see I would be still on the market. It would be possible as well to say we move our stop every time behind this line, the orange one. So this one will go down as well, and we move our stop behind it as well. But I would be still in a short trade. And Where are the targets? In that case, I would go out until 30,000. It might go further down because there might be a lot of stops. And then now let's make a quick look on the market. If there's something interesting, we see here, it's far away from our sell position. This was interesting. You see here, it was nice to trade this one. We've been in our position here. I'm 15 is short, so we could take this one short on that level. It's nice. We had the chance here to take it. So it is not this one, because if you see my cursor on H1, we're still on this little candle. So then we spiked up. We tested our level here, and then the first red arrow we can short, and it was nice as well. It was a nice impulse. No, it looked nice as well here. We took out some stops from that highs. We see here as well, not gonna lie, at 5 in the morning, it's not our time, but 5 in the morning it was here. We could shorting it as well, and then we could take this short for the day. Was not bad either, but yeah, I guess, and maybe if I took this one, maybe I got stopped out over here, but I guess this was already a 1x1, so I would be plus minus 0 plus a 50%. Yeah, let's jump into Ethereum, I guess. This is quite interesting as well. We see as well we are not in our sell zone. So the sell zone every time again will be between this place here. I want to get at least a hit on one of these. If we get it, then we check for the lower time frame if we get an entry or not. But yeah, overall, we are super bearish on BTC. Take care about your trades. Don't leverage your trades, and never, and I can teach you that, never do something like that. Like, oh, right now I'm thinking the market is going up. He has to be going up because it's BTC, and you're trying to buy it right now. It will work maybe 1 or 2 times, but I can tell you a lot of people, like they're trading because of their hopes, and they will be never profitable. So if the market is short, we trade short. We don't do something else, because otherwise you cannot sleep well. You all times have to think, oh, hopefully the market is changing right now. It's a lot of pressure, and we won't do that. So we're just gonna trade shorts, and we check what the 30,000 mark is doing here. I hope you had a great session. If you want to follow my analysis, leave a like or a subscription, and if you have some interesting markets, leave that in the comments below. Have a great day. Bye.